In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by accessing your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top. Over here. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. Then to use it, go back to your standard keyboard thanks to this arrow at the top left corner. Then copy or cut any text. And to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard right away. You can also paste it by tapping on Clipboard and clicking on it here. To pin any of your saved sentences, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the chosen one and use this pin. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, tap on the pen again, click on your sentence or multiple that you wish to delete, and click on pin next to the pin. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!